Welcome to Win on Your Wedding Day. I'm Robert with Robert Burns & Second Photography. So in this playlist, here's what to expect. Should you DIY your wedding? Now, we don't mean DIY the entire thing, but there's a lot of questions around which parts of your wedding you should DIY, which parts you should do yourself. Should you do your florals yourself? Should you take your own wedding pictures? Should you plan everything from the beginning to the end and not hire a professional for your wedding planning? What exactly should you do? Should you book all your travel for your destination wedding? There's so many things that are questions about what you should DIY and what you shouldn't do. So in this playlist, we're going to cover exclusively that. So if that interests you, I definitely would go ahead and watch the next video in this topic, and also subscribe to this channel because I'll have many more videos on this topic. Feel free to browse the Win on Your Wedding Day store, where we have all kinds of merch options for you to enjoy. Everything from masks to tote bags, t-shirts, hoodies, coffee cups. Definitely give our site a browse and enjoy what's there for you.